If you have funds that you want to move on to Secret Network, in the next few minutes, you'll understand the easiest ways to make that happen. And this decision tree is a nice snapshot of your options. Option number 1, you could buy Secret with a credit card on Transact. The UI is pretty straightforward here. Option number 2, many centralized exchanges offer Secret, including Kraken, Binance, KuCoin, and MEXC. Remember though, if it's not your keys, it's not your crypto. On a centralized exchange, you don't have custody of your assets. Self-custody is the way to go. Option number 3 on the right of the decision tree here is MetaMask. Maybe you already have ETH on Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet and you've made it that far in your DeFi journey. If so, you can access Secret Network and buy Secret from the comfort of your MetaMask wallet. Just visit app.shadeprotocol.io/bridge and you can bridge in your assets. You want to give access to both the bridge and the full app when prompted in the interface. And then after bridging, just click on swap and you can swap your ETH for Secret. In the next minute, I'll go ahead and demo this final option. And this is what to do if you have a Coinbase account and want to get Secret. It's the most complicated option on this decision tree, but thankfully, it's still extremely easy if you just follow along these 4 steps. So step number 1 on Coinbase is to buy Osmo or Atom. So once you have those assets, the step 2 is to withdraw. I'm going to withdraw this Osmo into my Kepler wallet. In order to do that, I'm going to start in Kepler, make sure that I have selected each chain that I'm on. If you were moving Osmo, you'd want to make sure you're on Osmosis. So I copy my wallet address, and then I'm going to paste that in back in Coinbase as the receiving address. When withdrawing from Coinbase here, in this instance, we don't need a memo, just the receiving address. So we'll submit that. Step number 3, once those funds have hit my wallet, I'm going to open up a tab with app.shadeprotocol.io/bridge, and I'm going to bridge in this Atom from my wallet. On the bridge, I'm just going to make sure that the origin chain and the destination chain are correct. We're going from Cosmos to Secret. If you bought Osmo, of course, you would be bridging from Osmosis to Secret. Once this bridging transaction is complete, you now have Secret Atom on Shade Protocol. You could visit the swap tab and swap directly for Secret, Stake Secret, or whatever else you're interested in. The whole world of Private DeFi has opened up to you. So congratulations on that.